Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix setup passcode to lock this chat error in WhatsApp. This is the error we are talking about. This is how it looks like after fixing the error. I am drawing my pattern here, but you can't see it because my device restricts the ability to record it. You can find all links in the description of this video. So, let's start our work. First you need to set up screen lock type. So, first go to Settings. Now scroll down and go to Lock Screen Settings. You can see I already use pattern as screen lock type. If you want to add new screen lock type, click on Screen Lock Type. I am drawing my pattern here, but you can't see it because my device restricts the ability to record it. Set one from these screen lock types. Same screen lock type that you set up, used to lock your chat. Now we need to open WhatsApp app. I go to Play Store to show you that I am using latest version of WhatsApp app. Now open WhatsApp app. Now I will show you that I have set up passcode to lock this chat error. Okay. Now let's create backup. Click on three dots. Now click on Settings. Now click on Chats. Scroll down. Click on Chat Backup. Click on Google account. Choose a Google account. If you don't have Google account, click on Add account. Click on Cancel. If you disable Include Videos option, you will lost your videos in WhatsApp. Now click on Backup button. Now wait few seconds until it is finished. Now we need to uninstall WhatsApp app. Click on Uninstall. Now we need to download old version of WhatsApp app. You can find download link in the description of this video. Go to it. Verify you are human. AppMirror.com is the safest website to download apps. Scroll down. You can see 4 apps for 4 system architectures. First you need to find your phone's system architecture. You can find link for Droid hardware info app in the description of this video. Go to it. Install it and open it. Click on OK. You don't need to give camera and storage permissions. Now go to System tab. You can see your phone's system architecture here. Now go back to download page. Sometimes you can see Universal for architecture. This means you can use this app in every device. My phone's system architecture is ARM EABI v7a. So, I download first app. Click on download icon. Scroll down. Click on download app button. Now your app will be downloaded. I already downloaded it. Now let's install downloaded app file. Click on it. Click on Install. Now open app. Choose language and click on arrow icon. Click on Agree and Continue. Now log in with your phone number. Click on Continue. Allow contact and storage permissions. Now you can see backup that we created before. Click on Restore button. Now it is downloading the backup. Click on Next button. You can see your name here. Click on Next button. Click on Skip button. Don't update WhatsApp, so click on Cancel. Now you can use chat lock feature using screen lock type. Now let's try it. Now open chat that you want to lock. Now go to chat lock option. Now enable chat lock option. I am drawing my pattern here, but you can't see it because my device restrict the ability to record it. Now you can see chat lock option is enabled. Now let's see locked chat list. Pull down your chat list. You can see locked chats text. Click on it. I am drawing my pattern here, but you can't see it because my device restrict the ability to record it. Now you can see locked chats. Like and share this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.